Sky is racing this morning. Remnants of Hurricane Beryl. Already got about inch and a half of rain. Inch. We're expected for another inch, inch and a half. Look at the wind on it. Still got a little bit of wind with her. And that's it. That's all she had, folks. But yeah, western. So if you're in Kalamazoo, really anywhere over there, anywhere from Muskegon, Kalamazoo, and then all the way to Lansing, 6 inches of rain by the end of. Burrow's remnants will be out by about actually 5 in the morning. This is not it. This would be the first outer band, and then majority of the core. Um, what's coming next is over in Chicago, northern Illinois, Wisconsin, and then the lake. There's another blob out there. That is the backside secondary band and remnants of the core as well. So yeah, another inch and a half to 2 inches of rain today.